How to make carrot oil. Carrot oil has become a popular ingredient in expensive lotions, skin creams, and shampoos. To create your own natural beauty products at home, start by making a batch of carrot oil. You can either warm grated carrots with oil in a slow cooker or just let dehydrated carrot slices sit in oil for several weeks. Strain off the carrot solids from the oil and store the golden carrot oil in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Making carrot-infused oil. Peel and grate the carrots. Wash 2 carrots and use a vegetable peeler to remove the skin. You can discard the peels. Grate the carrots against the narrow sides of a box grater to shred the carrots finely. If you don't have organic carrots, try to use homegrown carrots instead. Place the grated carrots in a slow cooker with oil. Get out a small slow cooker that's between 1 and 2 quarts (0.9 to 1.9 liters) in size. Transfer the grated carrots into the slow cooker and pour enough oil to cover the carrots. You can use a neutral oil such as olive, coconut, sunflower, or untoasted sesame. For example, if you have a 1 quart (0.9 liter) slow cooker, you'll probably need to use about 2 1/4 cups (540 milliliters) of oil. Heat the oil on low for 24 to 72 hours. Put the lid on the slow cooker and turn it on to low. Leave the oil to infuse with the carrots for 24 to 72 hours. The oil should start to turn orange as it infuses. If your slow cooker has a warm setting, use that instead of low. Strain the oil through cheesecloth. Turn off the slow cooker and lay a piece of cheesecloth in a strainer. Slowly pour the oil and carrots through the cheesecloth to strain out the solids. You can discard or compost the carrot solids. Store the carrot-infused oil. Transfer the oil to a clean glass jar. Secure a tight-fitting lid on top and place the oil in the refrigerator. You can store the oil for 6 to 8 months.